Hey there gamers, and welcome back to my Hive Fleet painting series for the launch of 10th edition. Today we're going to dive into the enigmatic and strategic Tyranid Hive Fleet known as Kronos. Known for their psychic prowess and mastery of anti-psychic abilities, Kronos is a formidable force on the tabletop. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to paint your Tyranid to a striking color scheme of Hive Fleet Kronos. So get ready to harness the power of psychic. Let's dive in. Begin by priming your Tyranid in white. Then apply a Blood Angel's Red contrast paint as a base color for the carapace. Ensure full coverage, allowing each coat to dry before moving on. I'm going to be using Basilicanum Grey to paint the skin areas of the Tyranid. Apply the contrast paint evenly to capture the unique texture of Kronos' creatures. For all those little fleshy details on the model, I'm going to be using Dwarf Skin Express Color from Vallejo. This will add a touch of organic detail to the appearance. For the claws and hooves, paint them with Tyranid Turquoise, adding a vibrant and striking contrast to the overall color scheme. Once all the paint is dried, apply a wash of null oil over the entire model, covering the carapace, skin, claws, hooves, and fleshy bits. This step will define the details and add depth to your Tyranid's menacing look. Time to start highlighting. I'm going to highlight the carapace by using Wild Rider Red from Games Workshop. Apply this highlight to the raised areas, creating a fiery and intense effect. And finally, I'm going to mix Tyranid Turquoise and Grey Seer 50-50 and use this mixture to highlight the claws and hooves, accentuating their sharpness and contrast with the rest of the model. And there you have it gamers, you've successfully painted your Tyranid Hive Fleet Kronos to showcase their psychic might and anti-psychic abilities. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide and found it both informative and entertaining. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. I value your feedback and would love to continue exploring the Hive Fleets and more. Thank you for joining me on this exciting painting journey through all the Tyranid Hive Fleets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fantastic content. Until next time, keep rolling those dice, and may the power of Kronos be with you.